Hey guys, we are here to just give you a little update on what we've been up to.
We are in Texas, right outside of San Antonio. We have business this week down here in the city. And this has been an insane week. We have traveled, I think, around 3,500 miles. I've lost count. Probably close to, well over 50 hours of drive time. Anyway, point being, we did not get a video ready for this week. And it's very unfortunate. However,
we're about halfway through our next episode of for our series on Costa Rica.
Yep. We've got it almost ready, and we've got a lot of content this week from our adventure across the United States.
To pick up our new RV, which we are currently sitting in.
We're sitting in. We can't wait to reveal that. But this week, we're going to feature Levi. And
you asked and we listened, and Levi has started his new Levi Cam YouTube channel, so we're going to share his first video with you.
Yep. And so the link is below, so check out his channel. And he wants you to watch the video on his channel, so please go to his channel, give him a like, give him a subscribe, give him a view, but you can also catch it right here. But we didn't want to leave you guys hanging. We want to give you guys a quick update, but definitely enjoy Levi's cooking video. All right, thanks guys. We'll catch you back next week, hopefully with a regular episode.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be cooking with my mom shrimp ravioli bake. We've already gathered all the ingredients we need. Here is what we needed. So first, you need the 1 bag of frozen cheese ravioli. Next, you would need 1 pound of shrimp. Then you would need your butter. Then 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And we have already measured it out. Then you're gonna need garlic, and it says clove of garlic, but we're using minced garlic because we don't have a clove of garlic. Then you need 1 1/2 cups of Parmesan cheese, and we didn't measure it out because this bag is 1 1/2 cups. Then what you're gonna need, or what you can use, is Italian seasoning, and we're using it just for taste. So first, my mom's gonna cook ravioli according to package directions. And she's gonna saute shrimp in butter and garlic. Then I'm gonna show y'all how to make the Alfredo sauce. First, what you wanna do is you wanna melt butter in medium saucepan on medium or low. Then you wanna pour the butter in. And then, once that melts, you want to add the cream and then let simmer. Fully, you wanna add the cream to it. So now that the butter has melted, I have added in the cream, and now you have to let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Now that the mixture of cream and butter is simmering, I'm going to add the 1 1/2 cups of Parmesan and the 1 clove of garlic. Which in minced garlic, my mom says to just put 2 scoops of this. 2 teaspoons.
We like garlic.
And then you let it all melt in. Guys, always be sure to wash your hands before you start cooking. After melting the mixture, you want to sprinkle a little bit of Italian seasoning in for taste. Probably a little bit more. And then you're done with the Alfredo sauce. And also, you know the shrimp is ready once it's pink. Alright guys, now we're going to put together the ravioli bake. So first what you want to do, you want to put the ravioli in the pan, on the bottom, evenly distributed. And then what you want to do is you want to get the shrimp, put it all over this layer. Again, evenly distributed. Alright, and then after that, over the top.
Here, this is easier to.
Well, it's not gonna fill the whole top.
Use this. Use this. That's a good bit more.
Then you're gonna get it all out of the bottom. And off the sides as well. Now, you're gonna spread it across the top. Just try to cover up as many of the pasta pieces as you can. So now, I'm gonna put this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for 15 minutes. For 15 minutes, press start. And it's ready. And then after that, you're gonna put it on high broil on the top oven for about 5 minutes. All right, guys, now it's ready. And as you can see, it looks fantastic.
Yum.
As you can see, it has a crust on the top and the layers all in there. It looks creamy and cheesy.